What's going on? My name is Mike. I make custom AI chatbots. It's like a version of ChatGPT specifically for your company. Now, this is one I made for WebSpec Agency. I'm making free demos for SEO agencies and digital marketing agencies in hopes that I can find a partner that would be willing to offer my chatbot development services in a white label fashion under their brand. Um, so everything I made here is custom coded. I don't use any platforms or anything like that. So I can change absolutely any aspect of this. And sometimes it's not 100% polished for that reason, but I can definitely update and improve any aspect of it as long as I'm given a small amount of direction from an agency or their client. So let's go ahead and check out the knowledge bot, the web spec agency knowledge bot. Now, what this is there's a knowledge graph in a vector database. So this would be considered to be a retrieval augmented generation bot. But what that means to your average person is it knows things about the company and is able to answer questions. Where is web spec agency located? All right, they're in Des Moines, Iowa. What is the founder of web spec agency's name? Jeremiah Terhark. Why should I choose WebSpec Agency for my marketing needs? All right, comprehensive services, custom solutions, expertise in digital marketing, established reputation, and local focus with broader reach. Yeah, so the knowledge bot is limited only by the amount of information on the company in the knowledge graph, so can always be expanded upon. Now, the blog feed bot, uh, did I click it or not? So the blog feed bot is connected to the blog. As long as they have a normal WordPress blog with the normal URL structure, it will have access to their posts. Show me any posts on AI visibility or generative engine optimization. There we go. So it gives you the title and an excerpt and a link to go read the blog post. Now, if you wanted to pull the entire content of the blog post into the chat, that would be very simple. I just don't do that because I don't want people thinking I'm trying to steal their content. That's not what I'm trying to accomplish here. Um, Now you could very easily have it get a answer from the knowledge bot and the blog bot at the same time and just show like, here's your answer. Now here's related blog posts for each uh, prompt or query or message from the user, whatever term you want to use for that. So next we have the website browser bot. Now the website browser bot is connected to the pages of the website. And it's pretty rough this because this is the most recent one I've developed, but I just hoping to demonstrate the capability here, and I hope that people can see the all of the many possibilities all the that you could realize with this. So I can have it list every single page or filter for certain pages or just have a customized list of pages on there. And when I click on a page, it's going to go grab the content from that page and pull it into chat. So I can ask questions that get straight to the answer. If I don't feel like reading all this, I can just ask, a relevant question. But I can also click on the link and go to the page. And now, as long as I don't start a new chat all of the information from this page is in the chat history, so it will be in the context, so you can uh, it will have better answers related to their email marketing. And so once again, I could very easily combine the knowledge bot, the blog feed bot, and the browser bot, um, so that every response gives you uh, an answer, related pages, and then related blog posts. And then let's see here. So if I click new chat, it's going to erase the chat history and show me the main menu. If I click main menu, it's going to just show me the main menu without erasing the chat history. So we'll see those bots popping up again. And I'm just going to demonstrate the review bots real quick. Now, the point of the review bot is to get more SEO value for each review. And the way it's doing that is by it asks the user 3 quick questions, but you can customize these questions however you want, or the number of questions also could be changed, and steer them towards certain topics that you would like them to talk about in your reviews. And then it also has a list of the targeted SEO keywords. So it tries to weave those in a natural way where appropriate. And that means because your Google reviews are very important for which search terms you rank for, then each review you get can help you improve your rankings for the terms that you are targeting. Um, yes, it did. Whoops. Yes, it did improve my website traffic. The team was extremely responsive. Very positive ROI. Okay, now it's gonna go ahead and craft a review with the keywords and then give me a convenient button to copy the review and the link for where to post it. Now you could gatekeep, you could make it so that it doesn't give you the link if it's a negative review. Um, I don't know. I would leave it up to the SEO agency partner whether or not that's a good idea. I've heard both arguments. So this is what happens when we click on the link. It brings us to their Google Business review or Google Business profile. And then we can just go ahead and paste it in there. All right. And there's one more, which is also similar to the review bot. Meant to, the post bot crafts a blog post for this company. It's meant for internal use. It has access to your list of target keywords so that it can SEO optimize the blog post, and then just within the chat you can edit it or give it more information, give it YouTube videos or whatever links you want to provide to embed in the post. And it could have access to the knowledge graph so that it can pull from that wherever appropriate in order to make the blog post. And ultimately, you could just make it have the full context that would be necessary to create blog posts that are written by ChatGPT, but they're still high quality. And then just within the chat, you can go ahead and post that to your WordPress. So, however, because it takes kind of a long time to generate the post, I prefer not to put those in the videos. So yeah, that's this demo. And if you have watched this video all the way until now, I thank you so much. And I would appreciate absolutely any feedback you'd be willing to give me. If you think that this sucks and it's the stupidest thing you've ever seen, I would love to hear that, as long as you tell me why so that I can make it better. Thanks so much.